Hello dear friends, today we are going to discuss a short topic but very important topic from pharmaceutics, that is types of gelatin and bloom strength. So whenever we say capsule, one image come to in our mind, that gelatinous shell in which drug is enclosed. So this gelatin is of two type. First one is type A. Type A is a cationic, means it bears positive charge. It is obtained from pork skin. From pork skin, it is obtained by acid treatment, means HCl is used in 1 to 5% percentage. Then its isoelectric pH ranges from 7 to 9. This is all about type A. Next one is type B. Type B is anionic, means it contains negative charge. It is obtained from bone. So type B for bone and type B we can easily remember from where it is obtained. From from bone it is obtained by alkali treatment, means lime is used in 10% concentration, and its isoelectric pH ranges from 4.8 to 5.1. Here many a time we confuse between isoelectric pH of type A and type B. So if we see, type A is obtained from acid treatment, and and its isoelectric pH ranges in basic range, means 7 to 9. And while that of type B, it is obtained from alkali or basic treatment, and its isoelectric pH ranges in acidic range, that is 4.8 to 5.1. So this through cross relation we can easily remember isoelectric pH. And next point comes here, how to remember the from which treatment type A or type B is obtained, means by acid treatment or base or alkali treatment. So type A for acid and A for type A, so we can easily remember. While for type B, other name for alkali is, that is basic, base. So from type B, B for base, so we can easily remember them. So now our next point is bloom strength. As we all know, gelatin is made up of many linking. So bloom strength determine the strength of this cross linking of gelatin molecule. For this purpose, bloom gelometer is used, as we can see in the picture. Then what is the overall process to determine this bloom strength? It is means we take one plastic plunger that is inserted 4 mm into 6.66% gelatin solution at 25 degrees Celsius for 17 hours, and then we calculate weight required to remove that plastic plunger from that solution of 6.66% gelatin solution. And this solution has viscosity of 25 to 45 millipoise. And soft gelatin capsule and hard gelatin capsule had different range of bloom strength. Like soft gelatin capsule has 150 to 200, and hard gelatin capsule has bloom strength ranges from 220 to 280.